Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. Summersalt, a Shillong-based fusion band, will be touring Europe from the 4th of November this year. This would be part of the India Week in Hamburg 2021, where the band will be performing in 7 venues in the 3 European countries of Germany, Denmark, and Switzerland. Members of Summersalt include songwriter and vocalist Kit Kupar Shangpliang, female vocalist Pinsuks Imyong, guitarist Gregory Fort Nongrum, indigenous instrumentalist and keyboardist Adorbha C. Shangpliang, drummer Dawat Hok Shangpliang, bass guitarist Pinchai Kharshandi, and traditional percussionist Dajit Singh Kharkongor. The European tour has been curated by Zaman's East India Travel Odyssey in collaboration with the Office of the Indian Consul General Hamburg and Consul General John Rungol. The tour is sponsored by the Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, the Government of Meghalaya's undertaking Meghalayan Age Limited, with the support of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Government of India. As part of the India Week in Hamburg 2021, the Consulate General of India will be organizing a special promotion of Northeast India on the 11th of November, where the band will be performing songs in Khasi, Ribhoi Umden dialect, Hindi, Assamese, and German. Speaking to the media, in a press conference, Summersalt's managing member and vocalist Kit Kupar Shangpliang said that the scheduled European tour is an opportunity for the state of Meghalaya to showcase culture, history, and life of the people of the state to those in other parts of the globe. Apart from the India Week Hamburg 2021 performances in 7 venues, Summersalt would also be performing at the famous Performing Arts Center at Kabnagel and at the Hard Rock Cafe in Hamburg, Germany. The band will be leading the Northeast troupe of performing artists from Northeast India and Kerala.
Summersalt is going there because of the India Week Hamburg 2021. So that is some sort of an event where the Indian diaspora come together to explore, and build the relationship between the two countries. And we will be performing predominantly in Germany. But there will be a city in Denmark that we will also be performing. And there will be one city perhaps in Switzerland that we will also be performing. The details, which is already part of the press release, the first one will be in Bremen in Germany. That will be on the 6th of November. And the second one will be in Hamburg in Germany. That will be at the India Week Hamburg 2021. And this will be actually at the Office of the Consul General in Hamburg. The third one will be on the 12th of November in Hanover. And the fourth one will be in Hamburg again on the 14th of November. And this is a theatre which I'm going to give this time to Greg to brief you more about what this theatre is all about. And then after that, we come to 15th of November. We will be performing at Horsens in Denmark. That's the name of the city, Horsens in Denmark. And then we end with another show in Hamburg, which is the Hard Rock Cafe Hamburg. We take to Europe, the stories, the culture, the ethnicity, the identity of the hills, of the Khasi Hills and the Jainte Hills, and also of the region. So we are going to talk about the root bridges. We're going to talk about the wettest place on earth, which is Sora. We're going to talk about the very unique traditional umbrella, which is the Knup. Nobody in the world has that. And we're going to talk about the beauty of the place, the waterfalls, and we're going to talk about the matrilineal system that we have, which is very unique. So it's not just a bunch of musicians or going there and play music, come back, but we count this as a privilege and an opportunity that Meghalaya cannot miss. So we take the culture along. So interfacing with the people in Europe and the Indian diaspora as well. This is where the rhinos roam, and the fawn goes right and through the sky.